Hi guys, welcome back to I Dream with Cindy. Today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to unbox this on camera because I've been very excited to get this package. It's from So Krafty Sanaa. I've been doing a lot of journaling lately, and I've been trying to get into the habit of putting things in my journal to not forget about like payments, like certain payments and things like that. So yeah, I wanted to get my life a little more organized. I'm trying to do something that I'm working with, so I wanted to share that with you guys. This is my new house cash envelope. This is all A5. So what I've been doing is just cutting out like what I get from like the happy planners, because I don't like those discs. I prefer these rings. And so I have the budget side here, and then the actual side here of, you know, the regular calendar. So that's how I have it divided right now. And then on the back I have like stickers and things like that to make it more fun, I guess, to, you know, be able to keep up. So that's what I've been working with. So I'm actually very excited. I spoke with Sanaa, and she was talking to me the whole way how I wanted to get it done, and things like that. So reached out to her on the 2nd of October, I believe, and today is October 19th. 20th. Okay, so I spoke with her October 2nd, and today's the 20th. So about a little over 2 weeks, which for me, I wasn't really pressuring her or anything, because I know that she does like really good quality work. So yeah, without any more jibber jabber, I wanted to get right into the unboxing. So I'm gonna use my kid's scissors here. And tell me how you guys like these videos. Like, do you guys mind that I unbox I love seeing like unboxing videos. And I really appreciate the fact that she put fragile on all the sides, because some people will really handle oh my goodness, look at that. It's so pretty. Okay. That is so beautiful. Look at that. Just how I would imagine Sanaa. I've actually bought in charms from her before, and she does do a really good job at the packaging. So this says, thank you for your order. And then it has all her website. And I think this is just like the order summary. I love her new logos. These are amazing. Oh, this is so nice. So this is the planner, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let me move this stuff out of the way to do it justice. So this is the planner, guys. I'm so amazed. It looks beautiful. So I didn't even get like a sneak peek. Like I said, I haven't been contacting her, so I didn't want her to feel like pressured or anything to get it done fast. This is so nice. It says I Dream with Cindy. Look at these. These are so nice. Learn to rest, not to quit. How beautiful is this? This is so amazing. Wow. So she has like the vellum. This is so nice. Can you see this, guys? It's like 3D. It's so amazing. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes. Even you. That's so true. How amazing is this? This is so amazing. So let's see what the I'm gonna start from categories. So This is the daily dump. This is gonna make my life so much easier. Let it go, just dump it. This is the daily dump section. I love seeing this in her videos. And this is starting from January. How amazing. I wanted this so bad. So this is the month at a glance. And then this is the week, this week. Sorry, I can't. I'm busy planning. That's funny. This. And then here is the monthly bill trackers. And mind you, the paper that this is on is like better than the planner paper you get on Amazon or any other place. It's not like see-through, you know, it's not gonna bleed through. Like you can't see the other side. I don't know if you could see that. It's I don't know how to explain it, but it's so nice. It's like really good quality. And then it says best week ever, pay bills, date night, mani-pedi, spa day, dinner with friends. That's so cute. Yes, this is exactly how I wanted it. So I wanted it, you guys saw my previous one where I wanted the budgeting on one side and then the monthly calendar on the other. So exactly the way it's here. This is exactly how I wanted it. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. Amazing. It says Planner Babes Rule. Monthly bill trackers. Oh, this is so amazing. So she did an amazing job. Thank you so much, Sanaa. This is so, I mean, the paper is just such good quality. It says good vibes. Oh, this is beautiful. So I'll leave the price that she has it for. I'll leave it somewhere in the video. But this is totally worth it. This is just like exactly what you want. Like she'll do it exactly the way you want it. You just tell her what you want. But this is just amazing. It's so beautiful. Plan on it. The monthly planner. This is so amazing. She did an amazing job. I love these. When I see this in her videos, I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait to get mine. This is just amazing. Look at this. And then this, I think, is the last one. So this is where she does, like, if you guys haven't seen her videos, like where she'll put like stickers here on this side, which is what I'm planning on doing. And then she'll replace these with like the big stickers and totally customize it. This is like by the hour, which it's very hard to find planners that are this detailed. I mean, this nice. I can't get over the paper. It's just amazing. Happy plans. Monthly bill tracker. I'm sorry if you hear my kids in the background. And just the paper again. And it says stickers. Let's see what this says. Oh, this is so amazing. Look at these. No spending. This week priorities schedule. These are so nice. I wonder if she sells these on her website. Budget. So beautiful. This says payday. Oh. And this pen, it's like the fine pens. I love this. Everything is amazing. It exceeded my expectations. She added a few extra stickers here. So this is really nice. I mean, imagine if I didn't have any stickers. This is just immediately to get you started. so you could start
I
planning.
also did want to mention that
And then
the
she
tabs
included
on
the other months
these
here
dividers
for the
are
rest of the
so
year. I mean,
professional. Like,
everything
and
is
the laminate is like
amazing, just the
exactly
way I
what you
wanted
would
it.
get on
It's
like the
very
Happy
fat.
Planner
You can see
dividers or
this
any
is how she
dividers. I
has it,
really
except
just
she
want to say
has the
that.
disc, and I just don't prefer that. So she did it exactly to my liking with the daily dump, the months, and the stickers. That's exactly what I wanted, and that is exactly what she did. She went above and beyond. I am so excited to start planning, and I want to give a huge thank you to So Krafty Sanaa for doing, and it comes with a gold, but this is very heavy. I saw this in her videos and I thought it was plastic, but this is metal. I'm just like speechless, I guess. I don't have anything to say. Like, I mean, I guess it speaks for itself, you know. It's amazing. I'm so appreciative of what she did and the time that she took to do this for me. So yeah, this is just another glance at it. Everything just came out amazing, just exactly the way I wanted it. So thank you guys so much. I will leave this linked down below. She does do everything to your liking. If you haven't seen her videos, I'm pretty sure everybody has seen her videos and her planning videos. And I always say it's good to invest in yourself. This is investing in yourself, right? Because you're going to use this to plan. I just had a situation this week actually where I had a date planned on Monday where it was I had to be somewhere, and I went on the opposite side of the Bay Area. I missed my appointment. So things like that is not being organized, right? And that's that I have a planner that I'm sort of, you know, trying to get in there, but this is like completely gonna change that. You know, it has everything from the time to planning, you know, ahead to having my budget, everything that I wanted. It's perfect. I'm very happy. I'm very, very, very blessed that she took the time to make this for me. Again, her website is socraftysanaa.com. I'll leave it here, and then the price is here, and you can contact her and follow her here. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want me to make planner videos or how I start, let me know. I think I'm gonna start doing that just because, I mean, look, I have the perfect start now, you know. So I do want to start doing planner videos again. I'm really into that. I have like the stickers and stuff like that, and this is just gonna make it a lot easier. I thank Sanaa again. Thank you so much. You did an amazing job. This like over exceeded what I wanted. So again, socraftysanaa.com. Go check it out. And if you do want something like this, make sure you get the planner prep and speak with her, and she will make whatever you want and go above and beyond your expectations. So thanks again, guys, for watching this short review, and I highly recommend you checking her out. It's always the best investment to do is in yourself. So have a wonderful day, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.